Hello there everyone, and with the beautiful Forth Rail Bridge in the background, welcome to North Queenferry Railway Station. And as 158-730 arrives in the background working the 1803 Scotrail service from Edinburgh Waverley through to Glenrothes with Thornton, we see the departure of 158-733 working the 1804 Scotrail service from Leven through to Edinburgh Waverley. Next to arrive at the station will be 174-10, working 1 Lima 25 for Scotrail from Edinburgh Waverley through to Dundee. Next arriving at the station is 158-732, working the 1812 Scotrail service from Edinburgh Waverley through to Leven. Departing next from the station will be 158-731, working the 1823 Scotrail service from Cowden Beef through to Edinburgh Waverley. Passing fast through the station 13 minutes late is 43015 and 43032, working 1 Bravo 88 from Aberdeen through to Edinburgh Waverley. Next arriving at the station is 158-720, working the 1840 Scotrail service from Edinburgh Waverley through to Cowden Beef. Passing fast through the station for Scotrail, some 7 minutes late is 174-70, working 1 Lima 86 Perth through to Edinburgh Waverley. Next up to depart from the station 6 minutes late is 158-708 and 158-741, working the 1840 Scotrail service from Glenrothes with Thornton through to Edinburgh Waverley. Working under the head code 5K11 from Glenrothes with Thornton through to Edinburgh Haymarket depots 5 minutes late is 158-721 and 158-738. Next passing fast through the station is 174.32, working 1 Lima 26 from Dundee through to Edinburgh Waverley.
Fantastic. Ah, he's dumped him! Ah, he's been dumped.
Each. Next passing fast through the station is 158.702 and 158.743, working 1 Lima 95 for Scotrail from Edinburgh Waverley through to Perth. And to take us to our next and final station on the Fife Circle, here comes 158.736, working the 1900 Scotrail service from Leven through to Edinburgh Waverley. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.